Can Russia shoot down an American fighter jet over Syria? Before answering this question, we must make one important clarification. In Syria, there is a third participant, as powerful as the United States and on the side of the Syrian president, and that is Russia. In recent years, it has been shown that before any strikes on Syrian territory by the US Air Force, Washington notifies Moscow of the upcoming actions so that the Russian army's weapons systems in Syria do not attack the US military. Also, a second important clarification: Russia is officially invited by the Syrian government to be present and conduct military operations on Syrian territory, while the United States does not have such an invitation. The bilateral agreement between Washington and Russia, the United States to notify the Russian Federation of impending attacks, is an unsigned agreement based on trust between the two great powers. This means that as long as Russia accepts US airstrikes on Syria as a justified attack on terrorist groups, everyone in the world will turn a blind eye. But can Russia shoot down an American fighter jet over Syria? Now the answer is yes. Russia may shoot down a US fighter jet over Syria. Does Moscow have the legal right to do so? Answer is yes. Will Russia do it? Most likely not. It may happen in a period, but it will most likely be the result of an accident and not an intentional action. Last but not least, how would the US will react to the deliberate downing of an American fighter jet by the Russian military? It will be unpredictable. US may retaliate with downing a Russian jet, or not want to accelerate the situation and just limit their action within words. Thank you everyone for watching this video.